Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is chase. So, what exactly does chase mean? As a B2 level noun, chase refers to the act of pursuing someone or something, often with the intention of catching them. It implies a deliberate effort to follow and overtake a moving target. Think of it like a game of tag, but maybe with higher stakes. Now, let's explore how chase is used in everyday language. You might hear someone say, "The police were in chase of the suspect's car," or "The dog loves the chase after a tennis ball." In both instances, chase describes the action of pursuing. To further understand chase, let's look at some synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. A close synonym for chase is pursuit. For example, instead of saying the police were in chase of the suspect's car, you could say the police were in pursuit of the suspect's car. See how the meaning remains largely the same? Another synonym is hunt. You could say, "The hunt for the missing artifact was a long and arduous one." While hunt often implies a more prolonged or strategic effort than chase, it still shares the core idea of actively seeking something. Another good synonym is quest. While quest often implies a more noble or important reason to chase something, it is still similar. The hero's quest to save the princess led him through dangerous lands. Now, let's consider some antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An antonym for chase is retreat. Retreat means to withdraw or move back, the opposite of pursuing. For instance, the army was forced to retreat after suffering heavy losses. Another antonym is escape. Escape means to get away from something, avoiding being caught or pursued. You might say, "The prisoner managed to escape from the jail," or "The bird made a quick escape from the cage." One more antonym that applies well is avoidance. Avoidance is the action of deliberately keeping away from something. Her avoidance of the subject suggested that she had something to hide. So, we see that retreat, escape, and avoidance all represent the opposite action of chase. Now, let's explore how chase is used in everyday life. We often use chase figuratively, meaning not literally. For example, someone might say they are in the chase for a promotion. This means they are actively trying to get a promotion. You might also hear the expression cut to the chase, which means to get straight to the point, skipping unnecessary details. It's like saying, "Stop avoiding the main thing we're talking about." Another common usage is in the phrase give chase. It means to begin the act of chasing. You could say, "The dog gave chase to the squirrel." Let's look at some more usage examples of chase in sentences and phrases. The chase scene in the movie was very exciting. She went on a wild goose chase, looking for something that didn't exist. He joined the chase for the lost treasure. The cat is always in chase of its own tail. The chase after happiness can be a lifelong journey. They were in hot chase, determined to catch the thief. The chase for success never ends for some people. Don't chase after things that don't matter in the long run. It was a high-speed chase that lasted for miles. The detective was on the chase, looking for clues. The reporters were in chase of a big story. The fans were in chase of autographs from their favorite star. The company is in chase of a new market share. He's always in the chase of the latest trends. The scientists are in the chase for a cure for the disease. So, to recap, chase means the act of pursuing someone or something. We learned that synonyms include pursuit, hunt, and quest, while antonyms include retreat, escape, and avoidance. We also explored how chase is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, so they can benefit from learning new words too. As well, I encourage you to create your own sentence about Chase and share it as a comment under the video. I'd love to see how you're using the word. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.